We are going to discussing super keyword in Java. It is a very important. Interviewer can ask to you what is the super keyword. This type of questions maybe it will ask you. Okay. So now we can go to the super keyword in Java. What is the super keyword? What is the super keyword? What is the uses of super keyword in Java? Okay, super keyword in Java create a bridge between child and a parent class. Child and parent and child class. Anything. Child and parent class. It is a bridge too. Okay. It is a bridge between them. Super keyword in Java reference variable. Reference variable used to refer the immediately parent class and object. Super keyword can be used to using the reference variable. Okay, parent class. Okay, what is the following the scenarios in super keyword? What is the following the scenarios in super keyword? Super keyword can be used to reference variable of the immediately parent class. Using the reference variable immediately of the parent class. This is a parent class. Super keyword can invoke the immediately parent method. We can invoke parent method in the child using the super keyword. Okay. Now, and super keyword can be accessed immediately parent class constructor. We are declaring the parent constructor here. Can access to from here to here. Okay. Now, what is the super keyword? Super keyword, it's a reference variable. The reference variable immediately parent class. It is the invoke the immediate parent class method. Super keyword can be used to access immediate parent class constructor. Now, super keyword can be used immediately parent class instance variable. Instance variable where we can declare class level. Class level, this is instance variable can be reference to immediately the parent class variable to the child. Okay, super keyword can be used to invoke immediately parent class methods. Suppose we are declaring the parent class any method inside here can invoke to here. Then child class. Super class can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. Now, here go to these three things we can follow. Accessing base class variable, invoke base class methods, invoke base class constructor. Now, when you have the data members and the same name in both base derived class, if you have the suppose ID is there, base class, same in ID in child class. We can use the super keyword, we can ask the base class member. Using the super keyword, you can this ID you can access to here to the derived class, accessing the base class variable. Invoke base class methods when the members of functions the same both and derived class. Using the super keyword, you can use to invoke the base class function from the derived class. Okay, same method name is there in base class. You can using the super keyword derived from there to here. Constructor to same. The super keyword can also be used to invoke parent class constructor, both parameterized and empty and derived class. Okay, now if we are going to demo, then we can get the clarification. Now we can create the one class demo super super demo super keyword demo super. So I create the class. First one, what is the first one? First one is 3 is there. Super keyword following the 3 scenarios. Super keyword can be used to reference variable immediately after parent. Super keyword can be used to reference immediately parent class instance variable. Parent class instance variable. Okay. Now we can go there. First one. First one. Okay. One scenario is there. Demo keyword. Instance variable. Okay. Instance variable. ID. Otherwise you can declare the more class here. Class school. Class school. Now ID instance variable. Already I explained what is instance variable. Instance variable where we can declare these things, and I already explained in previous videos. Suppose if it doesn't watch these videos, we can go through the watch this instance variable. What is a local variable? What is a static? This type of variables already I explained previous classes. Okay, instant into ID string name equal to orbit public school. Orbit public school. This two is instance variable. Okay. Now void, we are going to create another void print print school name. Print school. Print school. Print school name means system dot out dot print ln school name plus name. Now we declare the name. Okay. Same thing. Class teacher extend inherited. So the school and inherited here. Now is okay. Just create the one class. This class I am using the extend keyword inherit to the school. This is the base class. Okay, like parent class. This is now teacher is child class. Okay. Instance variable in the child class. Instance variable in the child class. Now into ID string don't want to declare here. So sorry, you can declare this one here. Okay, you can declare here. See, both are same name. ID same, string name is same. Parent and child class. Now we need to access this school name. How can access? Suppose if you go there, as usual code, if you go there, teacher object equal to new teacher instance I created object obj obj dot obj id, so obj dot print school name, obj dot print school name. Suppose if you run this one, what will happen? If you run this one, what is the output? See, if we run this one, now I used the three things here. Create the parent class of school and the child class is teacher, derived from the child class, derived to the school. Okay, same name, id is name same and string name is same, but I need to print the value. Which value will print here? You can check it. School name is null. See, school name is null. School name is null. Now, so we don't have any name here. We mentioned to instance where any name. Now here is name is there, but how it will called where? Now it will called there. See, using the super keyword used to reference id and name variable of the parent class. Now you can using super we can access the name access the variable of the parent class. You can access the parent class. Okay, suppose using this keyword means current object. Super keyword reference access to the variable of the parent class. Okay, remember, don't forget this difference between super and this keyword. The interviewer can ask you, what is the super keyword, what is the this keyword, what is the difference between super and this? This is current object. Already I explained previous classes. Super is the keyword can be used to access the variable of the parent class. Okay, now using this you can access the name variable of the child class. Okay, now here can go there dot super dot id. Now if you run this one, what will happen? School name is, suppose you can write school name is orbit. Okay, school name is orbit school. Super keyword used to reference the id and name variable of the parent class. The name of the id, the parent class. This is the parent class. School name is parent class. Suppose here, suppose if you are using equal to national public school. See, if you are using this keyword, current object, national public school, you can get it. You can access the name of your child class. Child class whatever declare the variables can be accessed to here. If you are using the super keyword, okay, a reference to the parent class only. Remember, what is the difference between super and this? Maybe chance is there, they can ask to you. Okay, now one is completed. One is complete. Next one is, what is next one? Super keyword. Super can use to invoke immediate parent class method. Okay, we are completed. Super can be used to reference immediate parent class instance variable. Instance variable we are completed here. Super keyword can be invoke immediate parent class methods. Okay, how we can invoke? We can check it right. Now we can go to the one more class. Go there, class demo super key 2. Create it. Okay, clear. Now again same thing, class school, class school, class school instance variable into id equal to 1. Okay, into id equal to 1, string name equal to orbit orbit. Now void print id, void print id, system dot out dot println school id plus this dot id. This dot id means current object, current variable can be accessed to here. Now class teacher extend means school. Okay, school. I derived this is for parent class, child class, teacher's child class. Same thing, instance variable in child class. Instance variables in child class into id equal to 10. Now change the values. String okay, this one is here Again, I can one more method I can write it here. This is for super. This one, this one. Print school name, print ID. Now I used to two methods. One is print school name, print ID. I need to, this one is ID is there. Both are ID is there. Both. This one is ID is 10 child class and this one is ID is 1. Okay. Now here I used to the ID this. This means it will get the output this 10 only. Suppose if you are using the super here, it will parent class reference, so it will display the, it will get the output is 1. So now can write it here. Teacher obj equal to new teacher dot print ID. Now what is the output? So print ID is there in school. Already defined this on schools. Already defined it previous classes. Okay, now this error is done. So now here see print ID. Print ID is, here is method I am using the print ID. Here I am using the print ID. What is the output to here? You can check it here. What is the output? Now if I run this one, what will happen? Check it. See, because the print ID method, the teacher class overridden the one of the parent class. See, print ID, this print ID overridden the one of the parent class. This one is overridden. Okay, this one is overridden. So this one is overridden. Now if you are using here super, what will happen? Super, what will happen? Check it here. One will come. See, this one will always one will come. Okay. Now if you are using, this is the name is not declared here. So you can observe here, access the, we need to super keyword. If you are using the super keyword, methods can be invoked to the there. Invoked to there. Okay. Now this is for the method invoke immediate parent class method. Parent class method can be invoked. Okay. Suppose parent class method can be invoked. This is only for the this one. Next one is immediate parent class constructor. Parent class constructor. What is this one? One is completed. Super can be used to reference immediate parent class instance variable is completed. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent class method is completed. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. Parent class constructor. Okay. Now we can go there. Now here you can change it here. So same thing. One more class you can declare here. Parent class constructor. Class demo super demo super. Okay. Now here again I can go to create one class person. This is for the immediate parent class constructor. Super keyword can be used to invoke the both the default and parameterized constructor of the parent class, the child class. Okay, see here what is this one? The super keyword can be used to invoke the parent class constructor. Parent class constructor both parameterized and empty in the derived class. Now we can go there. See parent class constructor person system dot out dot println default constructor. Person is a default constructor. I am declaring here. Default constructor. Okay. Now this is the base class. This is base class. Here is derived class. Class. Already I created teacher S also, so I add to the add teach extends person. Okay, derived from the base class. Now teachers here invoke the parent class constructor. Parent class constructor. So super using super invoke the parent class constructor. Keyword super system.out.println teacher class constructor. Now if I go there main method teachers obj equal to new teacher obj dot what is it? Obj dot there is invoke the constructor. constructor of the class. Now here you can invoke the constructor, but no need to create the object. Invoke the, see, using the super, it will invoke the parent class constructor. So now it will, two outputs will come. One is the person class constructor and teacher class constructor. Both are will come here. See, here this one. Now if you run this one, what is it? Person dot constructor and teacher dot constructor. Both will come. So this is the called as using the super keyword. Now if you want to go there, one more example, I can give it to you. One more example using the constructor. Okay. Now parameterizing constructor. Demo super demo super. Now without a parameter constructor I have done. Now parameter constructor. See, class bird into age bird into age. This dot age equal to age. String dot out dot print ln out dot print ln birds class constructor invoke. Okay. Age equal to birds into age equal to birds. This is one construct. Okay, same thing is parent class. Sorry, class parent extend birds. Okay, now I extend the birds. Now what we can do, parent is error. Okay. Now here string name I declare the one. Now here parent, again I can create the string name constructors into age. Why I call to the this one into age. So now here super age. Now super age means parent class constructor can come together. Okay, this dot name equal to current object name. This is the current object. Okay, name. Now it is fine. System dot out dot println. See how it is calling the parent class constructors. Out dot println parent class parent class constructor invoke. Now here what we can do now, void print details, void print details. Now go there, system dot out dot println name this dot name. This dot name is this name will come. System dot out dot println super dot this dot age is means also this dot age. This dot age is already called here, so age will come here. Already is invoked here. This is so now here create an object parent obj equal to new parent. Now here obj dot print. Which one you can say? Okay, you need to pass the arguments. Now pass the arguments means name means John, age means 5. You are passing the value here. So if I run this one, what was already defined? Okay, already defined this one. SS double S. Okay, SS. Fine. SS. SS. Fine. This is also already defined. Oh, there it is. Okay, fine. So fine. Already used this one. Bird also already is more as a fine. Now here see what is the output. You can get a clear picture here. So here on this one, see Jan is 5. Yes, Jan is name is Jan. Oh, yes. H. Now here name is John and age is 5. Now we are parent class constructor invoked here. Okay, already name. So using this keyword current object here. So in this object we are passing the value to 5. Okay. Now this details is bird class constructor invoked. This one is invoked. Okay. Parent class constructor is also invoked. Okay. So both are invoked. This is called as super using the super keyword. Accessing base class variables completed. Invoke base class method is completed. Invoke base class constructor also completed. This is use of super keyword Java. Suppose if you have any doubt, comment section comment to me. I can give the reply to you. If you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.